What's up YouTube? Welcome back. I know this is quite different from what I do usually, but I've been receiving a lot of DMs and comments asking me about my riding gear. So I've decided to make a series of videos based on this. And it's going to be covering my boots, my jacket, my helmet, gloves and whatever riding gears I own, including my backpack and everything. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing about my jacket. This is the Scala Marvel V2. It comes in this sort of bag, and I've been wearing this jacket for the last 2 years, and it's been on every ride of mine. And this jacket is a level 2 certified jacket. It has level 2 on the shoulders, the elbows, and also on the back. Solid. And the front, the chest area receives about, I think it's level 1 armor. I'm not sure if it even qualifies as a level 1 armor because it's quite flimsy. You get 2 outer pockets, and yeah, let's open the jacket. So as you see, this entire region is the back protector. You also receive an internal pocket right here and another pocket right here, where you can keep your wallet, I believe. Or in this one, I really don't use this one. I don't find the need for this one. But here is where I keep my rings maybe, or my bracelet and my wallet. And since I have a bag, I really don't use these as well. As you can see, this over here is the shoulder protector, and within this is the elbow protector, and all of these are removable, and the entire jacket is washable after you remove all the guards. And as you can see, the entire jacket is actually mesh, and even on the back it's actually mesh. The advantage of this is that in summers, when you're riding, you don't sweat as much, and wind actually goes through the jacket, and you don't have some panels over here and there and on the front, such that you have to open it during the summers and close it during the winters. There's nothing like that. And yeah, the good part is that with this you also get the rain and the thermal liner. So in case in winters it's too cold to ride outside, you have the thermal liner. So this is the thermal liner that goes inside the jacket. You wear this first and wear this on top. They are not stuck together, and there's no zipping system that goes through the jacket that actually complicates things, in my opinion. And yeah, I've been using this for my daily rides as well. If it gets cold in Bengaluru during December and November and January, I'm not really fond of the cold, and yeah, I use this quite often. So why did I buy this jacket particularly is because it was a very hasty decision, and this was also very cheap in my opinion. I paid around 6,999 rupees from a store called Adeshwa's Riders Arena. Shout out to them. You also get these sort of, I don't know, I've checked online and they say these are some titanium shoulder protectors, and yeah, they have taken some hit. As you can see, it's a little bit scratched up over here. That's because of a fall that I had off-road. I wouldn't suggest this jacket to be taken off-road, as these are soft protectors. Safe tech protectors is what Scala calls it. You have it over here on your back as well. All of them are level 2 certified. This jacket was quite cheap. It was around 6,999 rupees and completely L2 except the chest. And also you get the rain and the thermal liners. The rain liner goes outside and the thermal liner stays inside, as I mentioned before. So pros and cons of this jacket. This jacket is quite cheap. In some stores you get it for cheap. It's also a very famous jacket. I've seen a lot of riders wearing this particular model. And another thing is that the quality is also damn nice, in my opinion. I know for this budget there should be a little quality issues, but I haven't faced anything personally. Everything seems just fine. Cons of this jacket is that it is quite heavy compared to other jackets. I'm not sure how much it weighs, but after every ride, this is the first thing that I take off, because it is a little too heavy and my shoulders ache right after every ride almost. Another con is that it's not quite good in the winters. That's why I have to wear my thermal liners. The protectors, actually this is something that I've noticed over the years. So during peak summers, the protectors get too flimsy. They behave like level 1 guards. I believe it's due to SAS tech or something. I'm not sure exactly, but they start folding quite easily, and in the winters they get full rigid. This might be the case with other brands as well. I'm not really sure. Please do not hold me up on it. On the other hand, this is a beautiful jacket. I've been wearing this everywhere, and I think it's time for me to upgrade to another riding jacket. So I would definitely recommend this jacket for beginners. If you're just starting to ride and you really require a jacket, I would suggest this jacket. But if this is going to be the second jacket you are going to buy, I would not suggest it, because it's quite a basic jacket, and I would suggest something from Solace or Raida or something else, and maybe Rhinox. It depends on you, because Rhinox has been facing a lot of issues with their products, with their quality. And not only that, this jacket has saved one of my friends, and it did take a lot of beating. The entire jacket was torn on the elbow side, I believe, and his back as well. Luckily, nothing happened to the rider because he was completely protected by the back and the elbow guards. This jacket is quite close to my heart. It's my first riding jacket, or to be honest, first riding gear that I've ever bought. I'll be posting a little more videos about my riding gears, and maybe in the future I'm going to be posting videos of other riding gears as well, which I don't personally own. But I will take the inputs of my fellow riders. I guess with that, I'll be ending today's video. And for those of you who don't know me, hi, I am Motorcritic. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. You know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.